In this video, I will show you how to leverage the power of Claude AI to identify content gaps in your WordPress website so you can dominate your niche. Building topical authority is one of the most important aspects of modern search engine optimization, and finding out what is missing from your blog is the first step toward ranking higher. To get started, you need to provide Claude with a clear understanding of your website's main theme or niche. Open up a new chat and speak to the AI like an expert assistant. You should use a specific prompt designed to trigger its strategic capabilities. Tell the AI to act as an SEO strategist and ask it to map out the 5 essential topical pillars that a comprehensive website about your specific niche must cover to build complete topical authority. Once you input this command, Claude will generate a high-level structural checklist that serves as a blueprint for a perfect site in your field. This is where the magic happens, because you can now compare this professional roadmap against your existing WordPress categories and posts. You are essentially holding a mirror up to your content strategy to see where the holes are. If the AI suggests a pillar like technical troubleshooting or gear reviews and you realized you have never written about those topics, you have just found a major content gap. By filling these voids, you signal to search engines that your site is a complete resource rather than just a collection of random articles. This process helps you move away from guessing what to write next and allows you to create a data-driven content calendar that builds trust with both users and algorithms. Using Claude this way ensures that your WordPress site remains competitive and authoritative in an ever-changing digital landscape. Thank you for watching, and I hope this strategy helps you grow your website traffic.